Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. So today I'm starting the vlog outside, as you can see. We have a big snowstorm yesterday. Take a look. Look at this, guys. This is just all from tonight and yesterday. So yeah. So as you can see, I already start, and I have to take this off before my girl is coming from work. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this quick. Alright guys, so I just finished. Take off the snow. I'm just gonna put you there for a second. So yeah guys, this morning I work a little bit on the vlog. As you can see, I have a new channel art I just did myself. You can follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Snapchat. I don't know if you guys like to Snapchat, but if you want to snap me, I'm gonna try to snap you back, guys. So yeah, so let's do this. And I did like a final card, so at the end of the vlog you're gonna see. So that's pretty much what I did this morning. So right now I'm gonna take a quick shower, get changed, get fresh. Alright, let's go. So as you can see, here's my cat. He's always there. I'm gonna go in the shower, get changed. You ready? So I'm all clean now, so let me get some clothes. Alright guys, so do you like my shirt, guys? Do you know Richie Rich? Let me get that little gold there, right there. Yeah, I like this shirt. Richie Rich. So right now I'm gonna clean the kitchen a little bit. I'm gonna make some breakfast, and we'll see what the day looks like. And later I'm gonna play some video games. But for now, I need to eat. And don't forget, always kiss me goodnight, and you're somebody's reason to smile. Shows one. Shows two. Look guys. So here you go, that's my big boy. He's going pretty well. But he's young, he's pretty energized, and he moves non-stop. So sometimes I gotta calm him and just give him some love, because he won't stop. Alright. You know what? Go play. And my bigger one is right there. Oh, oh. So this one is 3 years old, and this one is like he have 8 week. That's it. They rough. So yeah guys, if you're new to the family, don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to post every day now, so stay tuned. I love you guys, and thank you for the support. And we almost hit 150 subs, so let's hit 150 subs before the next vlog. And on this guys, I wish you having a beautiful day, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, peace.